Downtime costs over $300,000 per hour for 91% of small and medium enterprises and large businesses. That's not just a number, it's a wake-up call for industries in Seattle relying on inefficient IT systems. Charles Bender, CEO of Attentis Technologies, puts it simply, modern industries cannot thrive without IT solutions that ensure scalability, security, and operational efficiency. Managed IT services are the backbone for industries looking to stay competitive in Seattle's fast-moving market. Whether you're in tech, healthcare, retail, or manufacturing, reliable IT support isn't optional, it's essential. Tech companies gain scalable solutions that grow with them, along with top-tier cybersecurity and innovation support in areas like cloud computing and AI. Healthcare providers benefit from HIPAA-compliant systems, advanced data security, and 24/7 monitoring to protect sensitive patient information. Retailers get seamless payment systems, accurate inventory tracking, and secure transactions, keeping customers happy and sales steady. Manufacturers rely on proactive monitoring, automation support, and real-time analytics to keep production lines running without disruption. Beyond industry-specific solutions, Seattle businesses enjoy streamlined operations, predictable IT costs, and robust cybersecurity. Managed IT providers focus on preventing problems before they happen, saving time and money while boosting productivity. To learn more about how managed IT services can drive growth for your industry, read the full article on our website. And don't forget to add this to your playlist for more updates.